Hey folks, it's Josh KERIEVSKY from Industrial Logic. The other day on Twitter, Dan North, who's a Lean Agile guru in the UK, he said something that I just loved. He said, if we had to do it all over again, it would be great to rename TDD, BDD, and even acceptance test-driven development as, are you ready for this? Example guided design. I loved it. What a wonderful way to think about this, right? Whether you're doing low-level TDD, you're starting with an example, or whether you're doing acceptance test-driven development, so maybe you're working at the feature level or the user story level, you still start with an example. And it also honors the fact that these practices are more about designing the software than they are about testing or checking it. Think about the phrase again, example-guided design. Now, there's one change I would make to it. I would rather call it example-first design. I think the word design, very important because it's a designer's practice. The word example, perfect, because we start with an example, whether it's a low-level thing, just testing an object and its capabilities or a function, or we're testing an actual user story or feature itself, we start with an example. That honors Brian Merrick's term, I could use an example about now. And then the word first. As I've said in a different video, test-driven development used to be called test-first programming. Start with a test, test first. Today, I think we could say example first, begin with an example. Example first design. What a beautiful way to rethink TDD, BDD, and acceptance test-driven development. It's all example first design. So think about those words, think about if they help inspire you to think about what unites all of those practices and what might be a way to introduce newbies to these concepts through a better terminology. Example first design. Thanks for watching.